This is one Pandanus that is, I think, is not native of India. It's used mainly in this cooking and all. They add it to rice to give some aroma. Then seems to be the flower is appearing or what. So it's used in the some. I think for adding flavor to rice, and it's from Indonesia or one of those Far East countries. It has the typical shape of Pandanus with roots coming out from the side and all, hanging roots and all. Long ones are there. So that's one feature. Just like Pandanus, the shape also is the same. And then the mature leaves have some small thorns also. Though it's not like that other Pandanus. And then when you crush it, it has a nice aroma.